Hello there. All right, so we are going to go through how you can self-publish your book on AfricaRead. Okay, so on the AfricaRead website, you come to self-publish. Right, so on the author terms page here, you can take a look at our frequently asked questions and then also read our payment terms. Everything is spelled out there. You can go into it, but that is for another video. All right, so today we are going to look at how you can register. So if you are already here, you fill out these forms, the forms on the right hand side, okay, with your accurate details. So the first one, you fill in your email address. So I'm going to fill out this form. Then you agree to the terms and conditions here. All right, so now let's move ahead. Okay, so we want to go to our author dashboard and start publishing. Great. So the first time logging into your author dashboard, you can just click on my books. All right, and then you'll be shown this window because now we don't have any book published. Okay, we don't have anything here. All right, so we come here and we click on add new. Okay, publish new book. Okay, so add new. All right, and now here is the form. Okay, so we are going to fill the form here with our details, upload our book, and then upload the cover image. Okay, so the first thing, you have to tick this box, the downloadable box here. All right, then you fill in your book title. Okay. Python for beginners. All right, and then here you enter your price, the book price. Okay, so by default the currency is in Ghana cedi. All right, so if you are publishing from outside Ghana or any other country apart from Ghana, you make sure you do the equivalent conversion. Okay, so if let's say you want to price your book in naira, like let's say 10,000 naira, okay, then you convert it to Ghana cedis, and then the equivalent in Ghana cedis, you write it here on the bookstore. If someone wants to buy your book and the person is browsing from Nigeria, the person will see the price in Nigerian currency. The person is browsing from South Africa, the user will see the price quoted in the South African currency. If it is in US, the person will see it in US dollars. Okay, but for setting the price on your dashboard, the default currency is in Ghana cedi, so make sure you do the conversion. All right, probably we want to price it at 20 Ghana cedis, so we type in there, and then here your book description. Okay, so a brief description about your book. Okay, this book description. All right, and then here author description. All right, so here you write a short note about yourself. Then on your right hand side we have the book cover. Okay, so here is where you upload your front cover of your book. Okay, so you select it. All right, then you come here, select file, your book cover will be updated over here. Good. Then the next thing on the right hand side we have the categories. Okay, so we have a number of categories listed here. The ones with the arrows to the left, a drop down. Okay, so we have subcategories. So under business and finance we have entrepreneurship, general business, money and investment, to further help you categorize your book according to the content of your book. Okay, so if it falls within this one, you can take any of these, as many as applies to your book. All right, for instance, what I'm publishing here, I want to select textbooks. Okay, so under textbooks, under textbooks I go program. We have downloadable. So this is where, so you have to fill in this area. This is where you upload your manuscript, the title of your book. Okay, so Python for beginners. All right, and then file. So this is where you upload your manuscript. Okay, so you click on upload, you come here, upload file. Okay, so this area is for Google search engine, okay, to help so that when people search for a book on Google search or any other search engine, they can find your book, all right, on AfricaRead, okay. All right, so here the first one, enter focus keywords, all right, separated by comments. So here, the best way is you enter the title of your book, okay. So that is the name that you want when people search for. You want them to find your book. The title of my book is Python for Beginners. All right, so three keywords are okay. All right, so all of them comma separated. All right, and the meta description here you can leave it empty, okay. Then you come to the ISBN. Then here, if you have an ISBN number for your book, you enter it here. Then here the publisher is required. So the publisher is you, because AfricaRead is a self-publishing platform. It means that you are publishing. Okay, so you enter your name. Okay, there are two things you can do. You can just save it as a draft. That is, if you want to come back and make some additional edit before you submit it for review, you can save it as a draft. If you want to submit it for review, okay, so that our team will go through and review your book and approve it for purchase on our bookstore and in our apps, then you click on submit for review, pending. So now if I go to my books, now I'll see my book here. There's the title, the status is pending our approval, the price, and then the category, program, okay, and then the date you submitted for the review, okay. All right, then now the next thing you need to do after submitting it for review, if you go through our payment terms, you are to make a payment of 300 Ghana cedis, okay, in your currency equivalent, all right, so that, and that is the cost of publishing. That is a one-time fee. You don't pay anything else again. If you want more details, you can refer to our payment terms option, okay, and then the profitability of repricing it this way. All right, so when you are done, when you submit it for review, then you come to your left menu items here, then you click on make payment. Okay, so if you click on make payment, it will direct you to the payment process. So here you select your country. When you make your payment, then now you wait for us to approve your book and for it to appear on our bookstore.